Okay, welcome back to this tutorial. In the previous video, we went over how you can view your reports, how you can make a walk-in sale, and how you can organize your products in the system. We went over all these pages and their use to you as a business manager. In this video, we're going to go over how you can receive and manage orders that are coming from the customer in the customer app. So that's why there's two phones on the screen. In this phone, I'm going to open the Tekeraheza customer app, which is this one. Then we're going to have this one open, this side as well. So this is one that the customer sees. They're asked to choose a language. They choose English. They land here. They're onboarded. You can just skip this. Then time for signing in. I click on continue with Google. I'm going to sign in using my Google account. Let me use this one. Okay, so I'm signed in. Now, when someone signs in and they have multiple delivery addresses, just like this account has, they'll first see their different addresses, like their home, office, whichever they want. Then they choose the one that they are working with at the time. Now, the way Tekeraheza is set up is that every dealer only serves one sector. So if you are in, let me just switch here to my business profile, then you can see the information about this dealer. God Bless Gas Limited is in Chinazi. That's a sector in the Hue district in South Rwanda. So right now, if I choose somewhere like North or Kigali or East, I will not be able to see the prices of this person, of God Bless. Even if I tap on a product that God Bless has, like for example, the Starbucks 13 kg. Let me enter, then let me just say I'm in North, and I search for Starbucks. When I search for Starbucks 13 kg and I tap on it, I will be seeing that I can't buy it yet. No one has submitted the price for my location. Later on, that no price submitted is going to be a lot less occurring, and there will be fail safes in place for that. But as of now, you'll only see cylinders for your geographical region. So if we were to make this order be visible in this app, this person has to be in my geographical region. So let me set that. Under my delivery addresses, I can add a new address, and I'm going to choose one which aligns with this business. That is South. So South, the district is Hue, the sector is sector is Chinazi. The logic behind this is so that we can facilitate faster delivery of services to a customer. Someone requests, and then the person that they're requesting for services from is like multiple provinces away. That's going to cause a very bad experience. But and also the costs of delivery will be insane. But if you're only serving the people that are in your vicinity, then that's a lot easier, and it's a better user experience. Where is it? I'm in the village, Gahondo. The village doesn't even have too much. Just the sector has too much though. So let me just choose, choose the exact same one. Let me choose Gakoni. Now this is my address. So just finish. Now I've created it. My new address, which is in the south, this one. So now when I come to the Starbucks 13 kg, usually one on the home page, I can see that there's a price by God Bless of 67k, which is the one which I had set here when I was submitting. Keep in mind, by the way, that when you submit your price, it will not be visible until the admins approve of it. So you can submit a new price here, and the admins will have to approve it in the admin dashboard. That's something that I demonstrated to the admins in their own playlist. So if you're an admin watching this, please check out the admin playlist. So as a business manager, when you submit your price and the price gets approved, please follow through. Make sure that they approve your price. So now here as the customer, on the page, I can just click on buy, and it's been added to my shopping bag. And I go to the shopping bag. I can see it's from God Bless, which is this company here, these guys. And then I can increase the quantity that I want, or I just continue with the one Starbucks 13. Then I can enter a coupon code if I have a coupon code for a discount. Currently there is none, but if the admins have made one for maybe the early adopters, they'll be able to enter it here, and then the discount will be applied automatically. If the customer wants any custom instructions like deliver it at my doorstep, leave it with my nurse, something like that, they can type this information here. Then that's basically it. So from here, from this page, they can just click here, then checkout. Then they're asked how do they want to pay, cash, wallet, or mobile money. I'm going to choose cash for simplicity's sake, but if I chose wallet, and then if my wallet doesn't have enough money, I would be asked to top up, not to pay. The delivery charges from my address to this person is 2,000. This is set, it's managed by the admins in the system. If you're an admin watching this, there's a video where I went over how these delivery charges are controlled in the admin panel, so kindly review that. I'm going to click on cash as a payment option, and this is going to place my order in the system. You can see now the business is notified. So now that the order has been received in the manager app, let's put down here to refresh. Now when I come to my orders, I can see that the top order is the latest one, which is this one, 152. When I click on it, I can view the details about the order as the business. I can see that the customer was Simeon Photos 5. We're delivering to this place. It's paying via cash. Everything is here. They want a Starbucks 13 kg. We have everything that we need. Then here on my orders as the customer, I can see the details of the order. All these. Now, right now there is a step of accepting the order or rejecting it, because sometimes some people may order but then you do not want to accept the order. So you can either accept or reject it. But later on, this step of accepting and rejecting is going to be removed. We had some discussions with the team, and this feature of accepting is being removed. So that it's just going to go straight from the person placing the order. You just pack and deliver. No need to first accept, but it's in there right now. So when I click on accept order, I am asked to scan the cylinders. Now I need to scan which cylinder is being sent. So I don't actually have the cylinders here with me. So for the sake of testing, I'm going to check in my stock, and I look for a Starbucks 13 kg that we have, and I just copy its code like this one, 44544F DDSX. Now in the practical sense, you would scan the cylinder itself or type in this code by reading directly, but since I'm using the same phone for all this, I'm just going to do this offhand. 44544F DDSX. Okay, so I'm going to accept this order, and then when I come to scanning the cylinder, I just type it in here, 44544F. come on, type 445. No, the keyboard is being a bit slow. Sorry about that. Let me undo everything. Okay, 445 44F DDSX. Okay, I expect this one to work. Let's continue and we see. Okay, so the system has checked the database for this cylinder, and the cylinder is valid, it's full, it's ready to go. I just accept order. When I do, now this order has been attached, the cylinder has been attached. Now the customer is notified that, hey, they have accepted your order and it's being processed. Similarly, I'm also notified that, yes, I have accepted an order, we can continue. Now here, when I refresh my list of orders, you can see now it's under accepted. And when an order has been accepted, the customer can no longer cancel. It's you, the manager, you, the dealer, to cancel an order after you have accepted it. Because by the time you accept an order, you've already even scanned a cylinder, and you know that this is the one which is going to be delivered, this one. So rejecting an order from then on, it needs to be a conscious decision. So now that the order has been accepted, it's time to deliver it. So now you tap on assign delivery person. Then you brought a list of all your different delivery people. But currently there is no delivery people in my system. So I'm being told that there's no delivery person found. I should add some by going adding some employees. Now for me here in this system, I don't have any delivery people yet. So when I come to employees, you can see it's just me. So I can add a new one. Let me assign it to who am I adding? So here is where you enter the person's email and the person's phone number, your employee, someone that's part of your team that's going to be manning the Tekeraheza system. Now in my case, let me use who am I using? Let me enter that one. Then the user role that I'm going to give this person is delivery. Then I continue to add the team member. Now when I tap there, the person is searched for and added as my delivery person. So if you enter contact details of someone that's not there in the system, it will look different from that. You will have to enter their name and whatnot, but this is good enough as it is. So now let me come back to my order. Can I assign a delivery person? It's this person. Yes, assign this one. And now when they get assigned, they are notified. Now here even the customer is notified that, hey, we've assigned a delivery person to your order, it's ready to go. Even you as a manager, you're notified, hey, you've assigned someone, we're good to go. Now when as the delivery person, they're also notified on their app, and then the rest will be notified via email. Those are the emails that you hear coming in. That email there, that was this one, new notification, assignment, new delivery. Now let me read this email as the delivery person, and we see what that looks like. Later on, these notifications are also going to be coming in via SMS, but for now we're doing email because the SMS service it's paid for. It's best that we do not enable it until close to the end when everything is ready. But email is also paid for, but it's just less expensive than the SMS one. So here they're telling me there's a new delivery assignment. Hey, my name, you have been assigned a new delivery task at God Bless. Your order number is this. Please package it and prepare it for delivery. Remember to press the start delivery button before setting off. Thank you for using Tekeraheza. So this email is automatically sent by Tekeraheza system. Even the customer was notified via email in a similar fashion. So these are the stylized custom emails from Tekeraheza system. Now when the delivery person signs in, they will also be seeing a list of orders. When they click on the order, they will land on a similar page, something similar to this. Then there will be the button of start delivery. So you can just start delivery. Then they start riding. Order has been started, delivery is started, we go. So the delivery person then moves and goes to the customer. When they reach the customer, then they tap on complete delivery. Then they have to confirm that they have received money. So you say, I confirm. So you read the customer information, that is the name, phone number, they didn't provide one. The address is there. Then the payment collection, cash. You confirm that you've received. Yes, I do. Is it a refill? No, it's not. I just complete order. Then when I complete the order, everything is, keep in mind, by the notice how the customer is notified about everything that's happening at all times. Now here it's saying your order at God Bless has been successfully completed. Thank you for using Tekeraheza. Previous one was packages on the way. Next one was the delivery person was assigned. So they are notified in real time. Even via email, the delivery person is also notified. Where is it? It's not. Hold on. Well, I would have to open the email to see it, but they're notified via email as well. So that's the order completed. Just refresh and I see. Yeah, the order has been completed. At all points, you can print this order using the Bluetooth thermal printer. I'm going to attach a video of this later on, a tutorial on how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth printer. Bluetooth printer also works for, now these walk-in sales, when you're trying to make a sale to someone that is on the site. That's the email for the order, I presume. Yeah, delivery completed, everything is there. Now, when you come to, as a manager, when you come to settings and then you enable printing receipts on every checkout, then every time that the cashiers try to make a sale here in as a walk-in cell, then they will be asked to print a receipt. I'm going to attach a video of that happening to this video. Okay, so now when the order is completed, remember that we had 3 cylinders. Now there are 2. Yeah, they're now 2 because we just sold one to the customer. When you come to cylinder movements, you can see that the latest movement is to a user, to Simeon Photos. The order was that the cylinder was, what is it? This one, 445 4544. So you can even have this historical information about everything that's going on in your business. Now, as the customer, when they come to their app here on the home page, then they come to My LPG. They can see their cylinders. This is the new one that we just bought. So when you click on it, you can see the details about it. You can see the size. It was a 13 kg. It's a Starbucks, and it's like that. Then you can see the person that they got it from. God Bless Gas Limited. And when they click on the phone number, the thing pops up. Then they can give the dealer a call in case they need to, in case of any issues. If there's an issue, they can click on Report Issue, and this is going to launch the Tekeraheza phone number. Then they can call. When a customer is on this page and they see that their gas is maybe getting too low, right now these ones are still full, so there's no need for a refill. But when they see that the gas is getting low, they can click on Request Refill. And what this is going to do is it's going to check in my stock as a business. You can see when I come to stock, there's a Starbucks 13 kg here that is full. So it's going to get the price from the prices that I submitted here. I told it that the price of a new one is 67, but the refill is 6,000. That's what it's putting here. Why is it saying Uganda shillings? This is going to be fixed. And then they choose whether they are paying via wallet or via cash. Then they click on pay. Right now I don't need this refill because the cylinder is still full, but this is where they would click to process a refill. So that's generally it. Customers are able to swipe on the side menu here, and then they can see their delivery addresses, their wallet. So I kept mentioning the wallet feature. This is where they can see their wallet, and their payment history is all here. Then here they can see orders, their order history. Then this is payment history. Then settings for theme and language. Currently the translations haven't yet been entered, the Kinyarwanda translations, so it's just English, but translation comes last at the end of the development. When all the features have been implemented and they are working, we will then start converting them into Kinyarwanda. So for now, the whole app is going to be in English. But that's the general gist of how you can use this to handle your orders. So a quick recap in case just to make sure that we're all on the same page. When you download the app, step 1 is sign up, create an account. Step 2 is submit your prices for the different products. Click on add new price, search for a product, maybe Starbucks, enter how much you sell it. This whole prices entry may take like 5 minutes or 10. It's not really that hard. Just click search for a product, or just choose from the existing list. Obviously it already comes. Just click on has 13 kg, then you enter the price. How much is it? 68,000. How much is it to refill? 5,000. Save. Just like that. Okay, for this one I already have this price entered, but yeah, you enter all the different prices, then you can proceed making your sales, your walk-in sales as you go. When your price gets approved by the admins and it starts showing up in the customer app and the customer makes an order, then you'll be seeing the orders here under pending, or even on the all page. Or if you make a walk-in sale for a customer here, and then in their app on this page they see that their gas is getting low, then they click, then they request for a refill, you will still be receiving it on the orders page. If you want to see all your order history, it's all here on this page. The side menu has a lot more settings, so you just have to explore them and see. The important thing on the side menu here is reports. You can click on daily stock reports to show you how your cylinders are moving. This was closing balance. You can see here your sales reports just there. You can choose to do a report which only has the orders that were touched by this delivery person or you yourself or all managers. It's entirely up to you. You just need to explore the system and then you get the hang of it. Thank you.